Alright guys, I'm in my backyard and I got this Kobalt little mini box, toolbox, if you guys can see that. I like it a lot. It's a little heavy duty, but this is perfect. So when you have loose screws, like I have a lot of stuff in my desk right now that I need to remove, and I want to store them in here, like, you know, blades and things I need to get on. There's a couple of things I'm gonna put in. I got a lot of Allen wrenches. This is what happens to my tools when I'm outdoors, working outdoors. I don't have an environment. They start getting rusted. And you need a storage box like this. At least a little mini box like this. Something like this is going to help you out. Especially batteries and little accessories that I have. Glue sticks and stuff like that. Things you need to grab on real quick. This is it. But the most important thing that I got it for was actually for screws. Loose screws. So I'm always losing small little screws in here. Put them in here, or you can put them up here. Either way, this one actually fits more. When I got Allen wrenches that I want to put in here, things I could access right away. This is actually a blade, so I'm gonna put this one on the top. This is for my 3D printing. Another 3D printing tool. Sorted blades. So I filled it up with all the sorted stuff that was in my desk because it was a little messy. But look at this. Now I got my measuring tapes, a couple of tools in here. All right, second drawer has some cutters, a remote control, an adapter. Look at that, plenty of space. And this is the stuff that I always grab, you know, on the go: the blade, the pencil, and so forth. Crazy glue. Just fill up as much as you want. This is very handy. Keep it in your desk. This is something I'm going to use outdoors. And this is a little more protection because I am outdoors working all the time. And things, like I said, things get rusted if you don't take care of them. They turn like this. And because I'm outdoor, they're going to turn something like that. But this is going to protect your tools. Any kind of sorted screws that you find on the floor and you don't want to step on them, this is a perfect place to put them together. You could put this high, low, wherever you want. But after you add more weight, it's not going to be movable that much. So, and be careful about the weight too also. So I'm just going to put it in a flat surface like I'm doing right now on the desk and keep it here. So very simple, easy to set up, easy to use. I like the ease of it. Great for those assorted things that you need to take control of. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.